Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of x. If we have x cubed plus 5x is equals to 42 and we solve this problem for all the values of x. So I hope so you like this method, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. You know about that this is the cubic equation and we have several ways to solve this cubic equation. In which the one method is by using the synthetic division, or in other words you can also make the factors of cubic equation, but here I can just use the factorization technique to solve this cubic equation. Okay, so here first we need to focus into the right hand side and it will becomes here x cubed plus 5x is equals to, this is 42, and we write this 42 as 27 plus 15. The reason of breaking of 42 as 27 plus 15 is that if you focus into the left hand side, we have this is one term is cubic term and the second term is multiple of 5 term. Okay, so here we need any two numbers in which the one number is cubic number or the other number is multiple of 5, so that we have this is the best possibility. Okay, so that's why we break 42 as 27 plus 15. Otherwise you have more options of breaking of 42. Okay, but this is the very best option. So now here we need to move these two values from right hand side to the left hand side and it will becomes x cubed plus 5x. So this is 27. When we move it into the left hand side, it will becomes minus 27. This is plus 15 becomes minus 15 and this whole equation is equal to 0. So further in the next step, here we rewrite these terms as we make the pair of x cubed with 27 and we make the pair of 5x with 15, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So here we rewrite this equation as this is our x cubed minus this is 27. We write this 27 as 3 cubed plus here we need to take common 5 and we get the remaining values are x minus 3 and this whole equation is equals to 0. So further in the next step we need to use the nice cubic formula to solve this equation. So here you know about that if we have a cubed minus b cubed is equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. So you see that the base of this term is our a and the base of this term is our b. So this is the our cubic formula, and now we need to substitute these two values of a and b into the below formula. So here we have the a minus b, the value of a is x minus, the value of b is 3 into a square, the value of a is x becomes x square plus ab, the value of a is x and b is 3 plus b square, b is 3 square, and plus 5 into x minus 3 is equals to 0. And further in the next step we have here we need to take common x minus 3 because it lies on both of these terms and we get the remaining values are. So from here we get x square plus 3x plus this 3 square becomes 9, and when you take common x minus 3 from here we get 5 and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x minus 3 into x minus 3 is equals to 0, and the second case is we write this x square plus 3x plus 9 plus 5 becomes 14 is equals to 0. So from this first case we easily get the value of x is equals to minus 3. This is our first root of the given equation, and you see here this is the quadratic equation, and we know about that there are three methods to solve the quadratic equation, in which the first method is factorization method, second one is completing square method, and third one is by using the quadratic formula. But here we use the quadratic formula to solve this quadratic equation. So first we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a is equals to 1, b is equals to 3, and c is equals to 14. So we state the quadratic formula as x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. This is our quadratic formula, and here we need to substitute the values of a, b and c in this formula. So after substituting these values we will get here x is equals to, this is minus b, the value of b is minus 3 plus minus square root of b square. B is 3 square minus 4 times of a is 1. C is 14 and it is divided by 2 times of a is equals to 1. So further we need more simplifications, and it will be written as x is equals to minus 3 plus minus square root of, this is 3 square and 3 square becomes 9, minus this is 4 times of 14 and 4 times of 14 is equals to 56, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 equals to 2. So further we need more simplifications, and it will be written as minus 3 plus minus square root of 9 minus 56, and 9 minus 56 becomes here minus 47, and it is divided by 2. So here we need to break this square root sign. So we apply this square root sign separately on both of these values, and it will becomes minus 3 plus minus square root of 47 into square root of minus 1, and it is divided by 2. So further in the next step we have x is equals to minus 3 plus minus square root of 47 into, here we know about that the square root of minus 1 is equals to iota, and it is divided by 2. So here the final step is that here we just move towards the solution of this question, and here you see that these are the two complex roots of the given equation. Because our given equation is cubic equation, so this means that our given equation has 3 or less than 3 roots, so in which these two roots are complex, and x is equals to 3 be the one real root of the given equation. So these are the 3 solutions of the given equation, and this is our final answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.